For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.
Hey guys, I'm SHIKHA and welcome to Beat Down Style Under 3. Today we're breaking down a look of Soha Ali Khan. She was spotted at a jewelry store launch where she was seen wearing crochet separates. Now here's breaking her look down. She was wearing a top which had a half sleeve and it was paired with a matching skirt. It was a pencil skirt which was a midi length, and she wore a really chunky bracelet, dainty earrings and a very classic Soha Ali Khan fresh nude makeup along with her short hairdo with softly tousled curls. So the entire look looked really pretty and pristine and very classy, and it was something that's so classic that it never goes out of style. The top and the bottom were both in the same pattern. It was a dusty rose pink crochet with a cream lining on the inside. So what we learned from this look of Soha is that crochet is really back in style, and with the monsoons going away and another holiday season coming back, I think crochet is something that you must take for your resort vacations or if you're headed out to the beach. We have a couple of crochet pieces over here inspired by Soha's look that I'm excited to show you guys. So the first one here is actually really similar to the coordinate set that she was wearing. This is a really cute dress that has a beige lining on the inside, and then it has this pink crochet on top of it. So the crochet pops and the lining kind of gives it a nice neutral background to stand out on. This one is a strappy dress. How I would suggest you guys to style it is with a pair of nude heels like Soha was wearing and nice earrings and a very light and fresh face of makeup, you know, something that looks really Parisian chic because the dress is such. The other one is again perfect for a beach vacation. This is a nice white color crochet top. Again, this is a strappy top. If you're not comfortable, so we've seen a lot of crochet on the runway and people have worn them as is, but if you're not comfortable wearing it like that, you could always layer it with a nice bikini top on the inside. Maybe pick a neon hue, or you could pick a tube top or a bandeau on the inside in a bright pink or fuchsia orange or a neon hue again, and that would really pop underneath a crochet top like this one and make for the perfect vacation look. Another way to wear crochet in your everyday life is to wear it through a nice knit fabric like that. It has a good stretch to it. It's extremely summer friendly because it lets the air pass through, and you can really feel the breeze and enjoy your look in this. It's a very nice and neutral color. What you could do is pair it with a pair of really popping shorts, or you could pair it with khaki shorts and keep the entire outfit neutral. A pair of wedges with the shorts and this top worn in a French tuck would make for a really nice outfit. So that's how you guys can wear crochet this season, and I think it's a trend that is this season's favorite, and with the vacation season coming up again, you guys must try it just like Soha wore it in her look. That's all we have from today. I'll see you guys next time.